Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing of laundry services. So let's take an example that you are a laundry service provider. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you're running Facebook lead ads on that page. So whenever someone clicks on those ads, a Facebook lead ad form will get open. Now you want that whenever that Facebook lead ad form is filled, your laundry service brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your customers from the Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, and send the brochure of your laundry services on that WhatsApp number. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of leads or customers in a single day. So how are you going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your laundry service brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Facebook and WhatsApp. So how to do this? So as a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Facebook page, that is laundry service. This is the Facebook lead ad form, laundry service name once again. And this is the form which actually looks like. This is the brochure which I have saved into my Google Drive. And this is the WhatsApp number of a customer. So now I want that whenever this particular form is filled on the Facebook, automatically the laundry service brochure should be shared with the customer on their WhatsApp number over here. So let us just fill this form first, and I'll just give the full name as Adam Smith. I'll give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com, and I'll just give the phone number over here. Okay, and now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let's check the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here we can see a message, "Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in laundry service. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our laundry service. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, laundry service." Okay. Now let us check this link also. What is there inside this link? Okay, and here I can see laundry service brochure. Okay, so a laundry service brochure is shared with the customer. So here you might be wondering that I just filled this particular form over here, the Facebook lead ad form, and automatically the brochure which was saved into my Google Drive, it is shared with the customer on his WhatsApp number along with a message also. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps, and anyone can do this very easily. So I'm going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Facebook and Pabbly Connect. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads. Step 3. Send the brochure to the leads on WhatsApp via 360 Dialog. So at step 3, whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ads form, the same data will be used and your laundry service brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customers. And here we are going to use 360 Dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have a free account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as Use WhatsApp for Marketing of Laundry Services. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. And now let's click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever the customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically your laundry service brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. Okay, and now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the page that we have created on the Facebook account and the lead generation form that we have attached on this particular page. I'll just show you the Facebook page which I have already created, that is laundry service. So we have to select this page in Pabbly Connect. So let's move to Pabbly Connect and here let us select the page name as laundry service. Now here in the lead generation form, you can see that it is automatically captured laundry service option, just because I have created just this form, laundry service form in this particular page, just one form. If you have multiple forms in this particular laundry service page, then from the drop down you can select the page as per your requirement. Okay. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to go to this particular form and we have to make an entry on the name of some customer, just because whenever we click on save and send test request, it is going to capture the recent response. So I'll just go to the Facebook lead ad form and here let us give the name of any of the customer, that is Shikha Arya. Her email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com and here I'll just give the mobile number. Okay, and now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and let us click on save and send test request. And now here we can see the responses received and the details that we have filled in the form. Shikha Arya, her email address and phone number are captured over here. Now we want to send the brochure to this particular customer on this WhatsApp number. For this, let us come to the action window and here we have to select the application name as 360 Dialog. In the action event, let's select send template message. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain name. So we have to read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API Key button. Okay, so first we have to go to 360 Dialog account. So this is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to this WhatsApp accounts. And here we can find Generate API Key option. You have to click on Generate API Key. You have to generate the API key, copy that API key, go to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. In my case also, I have already generated the API key and I have already created a connection. So I'll be just choosing this existing connection. But before that, let me tell you about the domain also. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given. So we will simply copy this example from here and we will be pasting it over here. Now once our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. After pasting API key here and domain name, just click on save. Okay, I'll just click on this choose existing connection and I'll click on save. Okay, and now 360 Dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So as we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. Then we have to get it approved from Facebook. Once the template is approved, then the template can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll just take you to 360 Dialog account. And here we can find manage templates option. Click on this. So these are several templates which I have already created and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, simply click on this plus sign add template. Here you can give the template name. Here you can select the category as per your requirement. There are various categories available over here. From here you can select the language of your choice. Here you can give template template type. Okay, and here you can give the text, the body text, that whatever the message you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then click on preview and submit, and once it is sent for the approval and once it is approved, then you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll simply close this template and I'll just find the one which I have already created and got it approved, that is send brochure final, this template. So I'll just open this. Let us read this template first. Hello, here I want the name of the customer. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here the company name is going to come, the organization name. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where we can find all the services you offer in our. Here you can give your laundry service name. A link of the brochure can be shared over here. For more details, you can visit our website. The website address can be mentioned here. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and again here your company name or your organization name is going to come over here. So let us select this template, send brochure final in Pabbly Connect. So I'll just select the template here, that is send underscore brochure underscore final. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the message. So we have got the customer details here from Facebook lead ad forms. So we are going to map these details now. That is the name of the customer Shikha Arya and her phone number. So just scroll down and here in recipient mobile number I'll just go to Facebook lead ads and here I'll just find the number, this one. Now we want body field 1, example Heather Ali, that's the name of a person. Here in our template also we require the first parameter, that is hello. Here we want the name of the customer. So I have kept some numbers in curly braces. So you might be thinking why I have kept these numbers in the curly braces. Just because these are the body fields and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. So as we want the name of the customer over here, so every time the name of the customer is going to change. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'll just map the name of the customer, that is Shikha Arya. Now body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in our template also, thank you for showing your interest in. Here your organization name is going to come. So here the organization name is simply laundry service. So we have to type this laundry service here in Pabbly Connect also. Okay. Now body field 3. Let us read the template once again. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our laundry service. We can give once again. So let us just type laundry service. Now here body field 4. Here we want the link in the template also. Here the link is required. So I have pasted a laundry service brochure in my Google Drive over here. So I'll simply make a right click on this and click on share. Here I'll just find the option get link. Simply click on copy link. Link is copied to clipboard. Okay, go to Pabbly Connect and simply paste the link over here. Okay. Now body field 5. Here we want www.pabbly.com. That's the website address. Here in the template also we need the website address as the 5th parameter. So I'll just go to the Facebook page. From here I'll simply copy the URL. Okay. And here in Pabbly Connect I'll give this URL. as my website address. Here you can give the website address, whatever you are having. Now body field 6, example Pabbly, that's the name of a company. And here in the template also, thank you, regards, and here again our organization name is required. So we are going to type the same, that is laundry service. Okay, and now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. Now let's check the WhatsApp number of the customer, whether he has received any message or not. So here we can see a new message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in laundry service. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our laundry service. Here the link is mentioned. For more details, you can visit our website. Website address is given. Note, okay, thank you, regards, laundry service. Okay, so now here we can see this was the first parameter, that is Shikha Arya. Laundry service was the second one, the company name, the organization name. Here again the third one was laundry service. Fourth we have given was the link. Fifth we have given was the website address, and at last we have given this laundry service name once again. So in this way we can see that all the body fields and their values are placed correctly in this message. Now let us check this link also, what is there inside this link. And here I can find laundry service brochure which is shared with the customer. Okay, so now here we can see that all the parameters are perfectly working fine and the values are also correctly displayed. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time. For that again we have to go to the Facebook lead ad forms and we have to create an entry on the name of some other customer. So this time let's give the name as Sanjay Sharma. Let's give the email address as sanjaysharma11@gmail.com. And let's give his mobile number over here. Okay, now let's click on next, submit. Okay, thanks, you're all set. Now let's check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we can see the message, hello Sanjay Sharma, thank you for showing your interest in laundry service. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Okay, so the same message is shared with this particular customer, that is Sanjay Sharma also. Now let us recheck this link, what is there inside this link. Okay, and here also I can find laundry service brochure is shared with the customer. Okay, so here we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and the correct messages are going on the WhatsApp number of the customers. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately, but sometimes this might took some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here, that is Facebook lead ad form, is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, so don't worry about that. Please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently and your data will surely arrive. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is submitted, it is filled, automatically your laundry service brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here in this way we have created a successful integration between Facebook and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.